Hello, I am Ben and welcome back to the ReConvert YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be telling you how you can find the best winning products out there and you can actually add them to your Shopify store, and we're going to be running you through exactly how to do that today. So you're probably wondering after clicking on this video, what is the best product that I can add to my store? Like, how do I actually know what to sell? So this is going to give you a clue. If you have at least 3 out of these 4 things, then it's probably the right product to be doing. The first one is that the product needs to fall in line with the current trend or season. You could make the most amount of money in a short piece of time. But that being said, sometimes it's not very evergreen, which means that you can't actually make money through it long term. You just can only make money through a certain time of year, and that's it. But if you're happy with that and you can set up a store with different products following different trends throughout the year, then you could be in with many different winning products that could work throughout the year, like I said. So that could work well for you. It really just depends on what type of store that you're trying to build. The next point is that the product solves a problem or has the wow factor to it. So what do I mean by that? I mean that the customer obviously has pain points, which is why they're seeking a product out to fit their needs. And in a minute, we're going to go through exactly how you can find products like these and different tools out there that you can use for your product research. The third point is that there is a low barrier to entry with the product and there are less than 3 to 5 competitors. So if that's the case, then it probably is looking like a great product and niche to get into, because it literally isn't being done by a lot of people and low barrier to entry, and there's enough competition out there to prove that people are actually making money off it, but there isn't too much competition. That's what you want to look out for, the right balance there, basically. And the fourth point is that you want to look at the area of opportunity to tap into that your competition hasn't done yet with that product. So that could be a marketing pain point. That could literally be many different things that you could tap into. It could target different types of personas instead of your competition. So I'm now going to be going over some ways that you can actually do this product research yourself. And there isn't a set way that you should be doing this. It really just depends on what type of products you're looking to sell and what audience you're trying to hit. As you can see here right now, AliExpress is quite a big way that you can actually find products and find suppliers that you can work with. So if you are doing drop shipping, then obviously you can just order each item each time. There are apps via Shopify that you can use as well, so you don't have to hold the products yourself in person. It literally just ships straight from supplier to the customer, which is exactly what you want, obviously. I'm starting with the pet accessories niche on AliExpress. There are so many products here that are really cheap, but you're probably wondering, how do I know which one to actually sell? So here is how you find it out. Obviously, you can search up pet accessories on Google and try and find Shopify stores that are running ads right now. And you can do this through a tool such as this one right here. And I really recommend this type of tool because you can actually look, and obviously TikTok is a growing platform right now. If you can see that they're doing ads on TikTok right now, and you know, they're obviously, if they're running it over a certain amount of period, then they're clearly making some money, because they wouldn't be running these ads and paying loads of money each week for ads that aren't making them profitable. So you know these products are selling well. So you want to look at this and see what products are actually selling the most. Another method that I would recommend strongly is reaching out to pages that are actually targeting the same audience that you want to target for the pet accessories. For example, if you want to sell dog collars, you should reach out to maybe specific dog types, maybe French bulldogs. Reach out to pages and DM them and ask them, do you think your audience will be interested in this product? Can we partner up with you? A lot of these pages would be interested in doing the marketing for free. So when you think of it in that way, that is how you can get the first customers through the door and build up your first 100 customers, so you can actually do retargeting ads via Facebook as well, which we'll get onto in another video. So here is another example of a website, nichescraper.com. As you can see, this is the pet accessories that I've selected here. I've selected Shopify, and as you can see here, these are all the products, and it says even they're found on some of these websites here. Now, don't get me wrong, you don't have to use this specific website for product research. You can go out and use another one. They're all kind of the same realistically. So this is what you can do. You should look through and really try and find products that are actually doing well, basically, on other stores, because you know you can see the volume here of what's doing well. For example, it says on this website, you can kind of see how much competition they're running, they've got on there. You can see all these different type of things, and it really just depends, like I said, what products you're looking to do. So I hope you're able to find your next winning product for your Shopify stores, but we will leave the links down in the description to any of the things we mentioned in this video right now. And also check out ReConvert as well down below if you want to add that to your store, because you're able to actually upsell these customers with other products such as the ones you can find from what you've learned from this video today. So I hope you have a great day and week ahead, and I'll catch you next time.